Hi. Vlogging. Hi. Say hi.
Hello.
Hi. Puro hi na lang ako eh. Last minute. Dahil tomorrow is a work day. So, mamaya nyo lang tignan ang pagmumukha ko ha. Kaso hindi ko na ata malilipat ang camera. So, mukha ko na lang muna. Nag-live ako kanina, kaso walang nanood. So, magva-vlogs na lang ako. Here is the background. Parang sira lang ito. It's been 3 years bago ako nag-vlogs ulit. So, baka hindi na active yung YouTube ko. So, hi. Lakad kaya ako ng patalikod. Ayun ang background. What's that? A boat. Kaso pang restaurant siya. So, hindi kami kumain. So, good luck kung may maglalakad akong patalikod. Hi! Yes. There. Medyo madilim. It's Ate Jo. It's Ate Jo. Hay nako, Auntie Lelet. Tulog ka. Kami? Gising pa. So, siguro nakilala nila ako. I'm still famous. It's been a long day without you, my friend. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes. Show. Ayun. There is the boat. The boat is sinking. Yes, me. Yes, me. Red. Red. So, that is. I'll get back to you again later. Say bye.